Should you be investing in Uber right now or not? Let's talk about it. So hello guys, welcome to another video. My name is Rijul and I make content related to finance as well as technology on my channel, and in this video I'll be talking about whether you should be investing into Uber or not. So basically I'm on the Robinhood app. Robinhood is a trading platform which helps you like invest into the stock market, cryptocurrency and that all stuff, but I personally use it only for stocks. So I'm on the Uber, UBER. If you type in UBER, you'll get the page which I am currently on. And there are two reasons which I invested into Uber. First of all, that it was pretty cheap at that time, which was around like $25. And also the 1 year, 5 year returns are not that much into Uber, but I personally believe into the company. So that is the number one reason which I invested, because the company has been into the market since I think 2009. And everyone like, I don't think Uber as a company will go down, because one way or the another you need Uber when you go into the new country, a new city or new state. So Uber and Lyft, these two have such a personal use and you need them. Second thing is, if you go down, this was basically the graph here. If you go down and you will see this one, analyst ratings. So these are basically like 46 analyst ratings. So analysts are basically professionals who tell you, they do not tell you, they basically do a research and then put it out right here. So if you can see, 91% of them are saying that right now is a very good time to buy Uber. 9% are saying that hold the stock, and personally 91% are saying that to buy an Uber stock, because $25 it usually used to be like around $40. So $25 is a pretty cheap price for an Uber right now, and due to the decision market also, I think it will go down. So right now might be a good time. And again guys, these are all my research and my process. Please do not follow it like blindly. Do your own research and then only invest into a stock. So this is my research, and these were the two main reasons which I am investing in Uber right now. Like not heavily investing, I just invested. So this is it for the video guys, and I really hope you like the video. And in the next videos, in the next series, we'll be talking about each and every stock which I am investing, and we'll be talking about the detailed like stats of the stocks. And yeah, I really hope you like the video, and इस वीडियो के लिए इतना ही. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए बाय बाय.